Good morning, class. How are you today? Are you ready to work? Well, good for you. How was your weekend? Were you resting a lot? Were you playing computer games? Were you watching movies? Okay, well, good. Good for you because this week is going to be a very busy week. Okay, so you ready to work now? Let's start. Now that you are familiar with the past progressive form, we are going to practice writing some sentences in our diary. So we're going to talk about our weekend. And this is what we need to do. First, you need to um, write the date in your diary, today's date, and then you're going to answer just to answer the following questions. You don't need to write the questions, but it's up to you. Okay. I would like to know what were you doing yesterday at 7 o'clock in the morning? That is in your diary. Okay, I was um, I was lying on my bed. Yesterday was Sunday, right? Question number two. What were you eating for breakfast? I would like to know what were you eating for breakfast? Well, I was eating pancakes. That's my answer. That was my day. Who were you eating with? I was eating with my family and my pet. And what were you doing after lunch on Sunday? I would like to know. So you have to write that down on your diary. I was working on the computer. And the last one is, how was the sun yesterday? Yesterday we had a beautiful day. So that question and that answer is for you. Here on number 6, I wrote some examples just based on the first question. What were you doing yesterday at 7 o'clock? My answer was, I was lying on my bed. So this is the first thing you're going to do on your diary. After you finish your diary, well, we're going to apply what we have learned about the past progressive tense on a worksheet. So there is a worksheet with sentences that you need to print, or you need to copy the sentences on your notebook. Yeah. Um, on each sentence, you need to write the past progressive form of the verb, the correct form of the verb. So you need to be very careful. Okay. And then we need to, you need to write. You need to write the assigned letters in past progressive tense. Okay. Here are the instructions because I'm reading here, but it would be better if you can look at the worksheet. Here is the worksheet. Yeah, this is what you need to do today. Here is this is like a quiz, because if you do this on your own, then I know that you already learned the use of the past progressive form, and I'm sure that you can do it. So here, I'm sorry I did write the answer. I was supposed to have this blank, but anyway, we're going to work on sentence number 2. The first instruction is write the correct form of the verb in the spaces below. Okay? We need to write this in a past progressive form. So let's read the first sentence. Let's read the first sentence. We, the main verb is to go to the mall last night. We goes with, what is the progressive form? Okay, this is the main verb. So we can write we goes with was. No way. We goes with are. No. Look at the time expression word last night. So we have to be careful with this. You know, this is a key word. This is a key word. So the correct word is we were, and the verb, we need to use the verb to go. Are you going to write we were to going? No, correct. Terrible. We don't need to write to going. We just need to write, okay, the verb, the main verb, the verb form. It's go. Go plus for a present progressive or past progressive form, we need to add ing. We were going to the mall last night. This sentence is already correct. This is done. This is the correct way to do the past progressive form sentence. So here we have 10 more sentences. You're just going to look at the main verb and you have to look at the subject. And then you're going to find out which verb, helping verb goes here, and how would you write the verb, the main verb. Okay, very easy for you. You know all these verbs already. So you're going to apply writing, completing these sentences. Here, I wrote this sentence for you because this is new to you. We haven't practiced the V in a past progressive form. So my mother, you need to complete the helping verb, which helping verb goes here, and then you have already the main verb written. And the rest is going to be easy. On the second instruction, you're going to write the sentences in the past progressive form. For example, my sentence, it's going to be, I walked the dog yesterday. And my sentence in the past progressive form would be, I was walking my dog yesterday. So this is what you need to do here. And on instruction number 3, you need to make your own sentences in a past progressive form. It could be a real event. So that's all for today. It's going to be easy. I'm completely sure that you're going to do a great job. If you have any questions, just send me an email and I will answer to you. I need you to take a picture of this activity and the diary too, so I can grade it, okay? Well, have a great day and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.